On June 25th, a 24-year-old female student of South Calcutta Law College was allegedly gang raped, for which 3 men, including a TMC functionary, were arrested apart from a college security guard. The survivor turned down the marriage proposal of the main accused, which made him angry, and he committed this horrible crime. The main accused is a TMC functionary, Monojit Mishra, and this isn't his first offence. Mishra has been charge-sheeted in numerous incidents before, involving harassing women, assault, theft, and damaging property, according to the police. So who is he, and what are the past charges against him? Let's tell you. Once a promising student aspiring for a career in law, Monojit joined the Kolkata College in 2007 and would have finished the course in 2012. During his time, he became involved in campus politics. In 2011, the Trinamool came to power in Bengal. Monojit dropped out before finishing his course, and he took re-admission in 2017 and graduated in 2022. According to Monojit's profile, he has led the college unit of Trinamool College Chhatra Parishad, the student wing of the ruling party in West Bengal, since 2017. Amid nationwide outrage over the rape case, the Trinamool has claimed that Monojit has no links with the party and he must face the strictest punishment. Interestingly, in 2023, a year after he graduated, Monojit joined the college as a casual cleric staff member, and his appointment letter was issued by the college administration. According to reports, he would get ₹500 per day for his work. Students of the college say Monojit, called Mango by friends, wielded massive clout on campus to the extent that even teachers and office staff feared him. Monojit's father, Robin Mishra, is a priest at Kalighat, and his mother suffers from neurological issues. Robin Mishra has said Monojit had been living separately for about 4 years. Neighbors claim Monojit, whose nickname is Popoy, was a troublemaker who often get into drunken brawls. Some reports say he had a girlfriend, also a lawyer, who often visited him. According to media report, Monojit oft used pickup line for women on campus was "Tui ame biya korbi?" like "Will you marry me?" He used the same line when he first approached a 24-year survivor. Now let's talk about Mishra's past offences. He was accused of damaging the principal's office in a 2017 case. No police case was registered against him during that period, media outlets reported. In the South Calcutta Law College in 2019, Mishra ripped a woman's clothes, followed by a registration of charge sheet against him in the case, police records show as per reports. In the same year, he was accused of theft, where he robbed a gold chain, perfume, a music system, and a pair of spectacles from a friend's home in Haridavapur a day before the New Year. The case was filed in January 1st week in 2020, and the police then recorded a charge sheet. In March 2022, Mishra allegedly harassed a woman in Kaspa, media channels reporting, citing sources. The Law College administration filed an official complaint against him for attacking a security guard, Sanjeev Kumar Sil, and vandalism at college in May 2024, the report states. Well, the Kolkata police has now formed a 5-member SIT to probe into the alleged gang rape of the student. The police were also trying to find out whether the entire crime was pre-planned or not. CCTV footage obtained from the college has corroborated the allegations made by the student in her written complaint to the police, and investigating officers said.